Hello everyone, am I audible to all of you? Tell me fast. Welcome to Oliveboard. This is your mentor Mayank today and I hope you all are doing great. As you all know, this is our regular session of Quant, right? And we are targeting SEBI Grade A 2023. So for better preparation of SEBI Grade A, Oliveboard, Oliveboard has planned these sessions for you all, right? And already many sessions have been conducted. We will talk about quant, reasoning, all these sections. You can check, right? If you are new to the channel, then do subscribe it, and you can check the updates and you can see the videos of all sections. Okay, reasoning, current affair, all other subjects. So this is your session for what? Quant section. So first tell me, do let me know everything is clear. Okay, just wait for a second. Okay. So hope so everything is audible and clear to all of you. Okay. Now, okay, perfectly clear. So as I told you, this is the channel of Oliveboard, new channel, right? So do subscribe it, and it is especially for all the aspirants who are preparing for regulatory exam. Any of these, SEBI, Nabard, okay, RBI Grade B, IFSCA Grade A exam, all these exam, any of these exam, if you are preparing for, then you must join this channel and also download our app from the Play Store. Subscribe to our new regulatory YouTube channel and regulatory app. Okay, there are many offers going on, so you can avail those offers also. We pledge for your success. Okay, so this Ram Navami, as I said, there are many offers. So the offer is ending today. Okay, so only you are having almost 3 to 4 hours. So just go and grab this opportunity. You can save 40% on this Ram Navami Utsav. Okay, so it is ending on 30th of March, means by today 11:59 p.m. So just subscribe the course if you are preparing for any of these RBI, SEBI, Nabard, IFSCA, any of these exams. So these are the plans which are available, and 40% off available on all these plans. Learn pack, complete plan, combo plans, mentorship batch. So combo plans, you can take 2 courses in this, right, as a combo. If you are preparing for RBI, SEBI both, then you can take this, okay, RBI plus SEBI combo. If you are preparing for RBI Nabard both, then you can take this RBI plus Nabard combo. Okay, so here you are going to get comprehensive material, mock interview, many important things, and this is a mentorship batch which is very special. Here you will get dedicated mentor, right? Mentorship by the what trained our mentors, and complete study material, mock test, and many more things, right? Customized study plan, many more things are there. So go and grab the opportunity. For availing this offer, you have to use the code FEST, FEST. Okay, so subscribe now because it is ending on today, 30th March. Okay, so series offerings, what we are offering in the series: live video batches, comprehensive coverage of syllabus doubt clearing by experts, preparation guidance, and the most important thing, exam center visit. Okay, so let's start our today's session. So first we will discuss the previous session homework. Okay, in my previous class, 2 questions I had given you as the homework. So first we will solve that. So this was the question of what? Data sufficiency, and this I had given you as the homework. Two partners P and Q entered in a business. What profit will Q get at the end of the 2 years? So they are asking the profit of Q at the end of 2 years. So are we able to solve this question by the help of given statements that we will check out first? So statement 1, P and Q started the business by investing in the ratio 5:8, and after 2 years P's share in profit is 2,500. Okay. So this is what given here. Now statement 2. P and Q joined the business with an amount of rupees 25,000 and 5,000 respectively. So PQ started the business by investing in the ratio of 5:8. And after 2 years, P share in the profit is 2,500. After 2 years. So here time same, right? So investment time is same, 2 years for both P and Q. After 2 years, P share in the profit in the business is what? 2,500. This is what given. And we know that when time is same, 2 years means it is going to be 1:1. So the product of investment and time is going to be profit ratio. So that will be equal to what? Investment in this case when time is same. Okay. So investment ratio will represent profit ratio. Now we know the profit of P. That is how much? That is 2,500. Is this clear? I am checking your comments also. If you are facing any problem, then do let me know. Okay. So 5 parts in the ratio. We can say 5 part belongs to P. So 5 parts equal to how much? 2,500. Okay. Or we can say P share in the profit is 5x and Q share is 8x. So already you know that 5x equal to 2,500. So by 5 you can cancel, so x equal to 500. Now if you know x, then you can easily calculate 8x also, which is the share of Q. So 8 multiply 500 means 4,000. So I have solved for you, but no need to solve full detail. You just need to check whether you are able to solve it or not. Yes, the complete detail is given, so we can easily get the Q share at the end of the 2 years. And that is what they were asking. So statement 1 alone sufficient to answer this. Statement 2. P and Q joined the business with an amount of rupees 25,000, 5,000. So this is the respectively. So in statement second, only we are having the knowledge about the investment. Okay. So they are asking the profit. So first of all, we must need something regarding profit and the ratio of profit also, so that we can easily calculate. So nothing is given, only investment given. So statement second not sufficient. So we will say option A is the correct answer in this case, if the data in statement 1 alone is sufficient to answer the question, while the data in statement second alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. And at present the age of B is half of the age of A. This is what given. At present the age of B is half of the age of A. So present age ratio of A to B is given, and that is 2:1, because age of B is half of A. So 2:1 will be the age ratio of A ratio B. Clear? So Neha, completely clear? Tell me fast. I think this is your first session. Okay. So see, now we need to check what are their ages. Means present ages we need to find out. We know the ratio of their ages. First statement. After 10 years, the ratio of their ages will become 5:8. So after 10 years means future. So we will talk about what at present the ratio year is 2023. So after 10 years, okay, after 10 years, so year will be what? 2033. Okay, so the new ratio is between A ratio B is 5:8. So we know two ratios and we know the year gap also. So we can say at present 2x and x. So after 10 years, 2x plus 10 by x plus 10 equal to 5:8. If we will talk about for the comparison, from here you can easily get the value of x, and when you know the value of x, then you can easily calculate 2x and x. That is what we need to calculate, present ages of A and B. So we can easily say statement 1 is alone sufficient to answer. Now statement second, 5 years ago the age of B was 40% of the age of A. 40% of the age of A. If we will talk about A ratio B, so their age ratio is going to be what then? 40% means 2/5. So 2 is the age of what? In ratio 2 belongs to B and 5 belongs to A. Clear? So this is the ratio 5 years ago given in the second statement. Means they are talking about 2000. If we are assuming that present year is 2023, so 5 years ago 2018. Clear to everyone? Now, so 5:2, you know this ratio. So you know percentage ratio, you know 5 years ago what was the ratio. Just compare it in the similar way which we have done in statement 1. So you can easily calculate. So statement second also alone sufficient to answer. So you just need to check these data, no need to go for full solution. And now you can decide statement 1, either statement 1 or statement 2. So option C. In previous session also I have given you some, right? I had given you some hint that either statement 1 or statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer this question. Okay, this will be your answer. I told you, and I asked you to solve this one. Okay, so hope so you all had tried this. Now just move on to the next question. Now in your paper number series, today we are going to solve different kind of question based on number series, and as well as quantity comparison questions also we are going to do too. Okay, so be ready for that, because these sections also important, and these sections are easy to score, easy to secure. So you can secure full marks in these section, number series, quadratic equation, easily. Okay, you just have to practice in a way which I am telling you. That's it. Now see, direction. Study the information given carefully and answer the following questions. In the following question, a number series is given. After the number series, a number, then A, B, C, D, E are given. Complete the number series starting from given number based on the pattern of the original number series and choose the correct option. So there are two number series given, 1 and 2. Okay. So in first, there is complete data, right? All the numbers are given. In second, only first number you know, others are missing. A, B, C, D, E. These all places are just missing. You have to find out, okay, the values here. So first series and second series, is there any similarity? First series pattern will be followed on second one. Okay, a number series is given, and after the number series number, then A, B, C, D, E are given. Complete the number series starting from the given number based on the pattern of original series, means the first series. The same pattern, right, must be followed in the second series. So first see, anyone who got the pattern of this first series, the same pattern you have to follow here. See, 2 to 227, the gap is plus 225. Now 227 to 483, here the gap is plus 256. Okay. Now 483 to 772, so 272 plus 7, 289. Now 772 to 1096, 324. Now 1096 to 1457, this is plus 361. So if you will carefully look out, then you got the answer actually here. You have to remember, right, what the squares from 1 to 40 and cubes from 1 to 25, at least cubes, squares. Because if you will see here, this 225 is what? 2, okay, then 227 is given, then 483 is given, then 772 is given, then 1096 is given, then 1457 is given. Okay, so as I told you, we are going to do different kind of questions. So this is also different type. Now see, first difference is 2 to 5, as I told you. This is 15 square. Now second one was 256. Sorry, 256, which is the perfect square of 16. Now third one is 289, which is the perfect square of 17. Then the gap was 324, that is the square of 18. Then 19 square. So we are just adding the consecutive squares of the numbers starting from 15. First 15 square, then we are adding 16 square, then we are adding 17 square, then 18 square, then 19 square. And this is the pattern which is following in the series. So easily we can get all the values. But what are they asking? What will come in the place of E? Plus 7. E plus 7. So one thing, if you will see the next term dependent on previous number, anything in multiple or something, no, we are just adding the squares. So see, first number of the first series and the second series, what is the gap? Plus 12. See here, we are not doing any multiplication or something, that kind of pattern is not going. We are just adding constant values which are going to be same for the second series also. So that's why if here plus 12, then in all series the gap will be same, plus 12, plus 12. This is the smart way which I am telling you, plus 12, plus 12, and here also plus 12. Are you getting my point now? Plus 12. So what are they asking? E. So E is going to be 1457 plus 12 means 1469. So plus 7, it is going to be how much? 1469 plus 7, 1476, which is not in the option, so none of these we are going to choose here. Clear? And now if you will even follow pattern, you just need to add what first? 225 means the square of 15, then the square of what? Then the square of 16 you have to add, then the square of 17 you have to add, then the square of what? 18 you have to add, then 19 square. Okay, so 14 plus 225, it is going to be how much? 239. I'm telling you everything. And here also, if you will do by this method also, 227 plus 12, 239 only you will get. So I have not calculated all terms A, B, C, D, E here, but we got the answer. And this is what we have to do, right? So similarly, you can get B, C, D by just adding all these values. I hope you got the pattern now. Let's move on to the next. Now the same series is same pattern based series is given. Even the series is completely same. First and second, same question data is given, but the question is different. Here they are asking which of the following statement is true. So these kind of questions also you can expect. Generally, right, it didn't come, but you have to be used to of all these type of questions. Statement verification, maybe, right? There are possibilities it can come, right? So generally this is the level of what RBI Grade B paper, the question time which I am telling you, but we can expect, okay, and we have to ready for the best. So that's why we are discussing these type of questions also. I hope it is clear. Which of the following statement is true? A minus B. So first of all, we must need the value of A. 227 plus 12 means 239 will come here. Now 483 plus 12, 495. 772 plus 12, 784. 1096 plus 12. So this is going to be 1108. Now 1457 plus 12, 1469. Clear? Now what are they asking? A minus B. So A minus B is going to be what? 239 minus 495. So it is going to be what? It is going to be a negative number or not? Yes. The difference is going to be 239 minus 495, which is equal to minus 256. And here C multiply D, C and D both are positive, plus 60, 24. Means this no need to calculate. This is going to be positive value or not? Yes. So definitely this is not a possible. Statement A is definitely incorrect. And statement B, A, B, C, D are even numbers. Means they are talking about A, B, C and D. All are even numbers. No. A and B are odd numbers while C and D are even numbers. You can see 784, 1108 both are even number, but A and B 239 is odd, which is the value of A. B's value is 495, which is also odd. So statement second also incorrect. Okay, so what you can say, both are incorrect. Option B is going to be your answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next. Now similar kind of question, you can see the pattern is completely different, but I hope you are getting it well. See here, the same thing is given. First series, second series. The directions are same here. Okay. Now, in this, what is going on? First series is completely given, and the second series will follow the first series pattern only. Here, A, B, C, D, E are missing. You just need to find out the pattern of first series, then apply it on second one. You will get the answer. So, 30 to 155. The difference is 125 plus 125 here. Now, 155 to 171 plus 16. 171 to 198 plus 27, 198 to 202 plus 4, 202 to 203 plus 1. So these are the value. Differences are what? Differences are 125 is the first one, 16 is the second one, then 27. As you can see, it is completely in decreasing order or increasing order. There is no such order, but we have to write down this and we need to observe what kind of pattern we can see here. So anyone who got the pattern of this, 125 is the perfect cube of 5, 16 is the perfect square of 4, 27 is the perfect cube of 3, 4 is the perfect square of 2, 1. So if you will see 5 cube, then 4 square. So it is in decreasing order. We are starting with 5, right? The cube of odd numbers and the square of even numbers in descending order, starting from 5. So 5 cube plus 4, then in next step plus 4 square. Then plus 3 cube plus 2 square. So plus 1 cube then there will be. So it is the pattern, same pattern we have to follow. So this difference what we can see in the pattern is dependent on the previous number in multiple or division of that number. Some we are calculating in terms of twice or thrice something. No, the difference is constant, 5 cube, 4 cube, like that the difference is going on. So the same thing you can apply here. First number of both series, see the difference, -4. So on each step the same difference you have to follow. For second number of both series, -4. Second number of second series is going to be what? 4 less than the second number of first series. So 155 minus 4, 151. You can even add 125 also here. Okay, 5 cube means 26 plus 125, 151 you will get. Okay, so is this clear? Be active in the chat box, as I said. Now see A to B. Okay, so this is going to be what? Plus 16 only, 4 square. So plus 16 you can do here, 151 plus 16. So here you are going to get what? 167. Or one thing you can apply, -4 only. Just subtract third number. See, third number difference also going to be same for both series. So 171 minus 4, so 167 only. Similarly, 198 minus 4, 194. 202 minus 4, 198. 203 minus 4, 199. Remember this. Okay, the number which we got. Here 194, 167, like that. If even you will go with the differences, clear? Okay. So if even you will go with the differences of this, so just look out here one thing. Then in next series it is going to be what? 5 cube, 4 cube, then 3, 5 cube plus, then in next step 4 square, then 3 cube, then it is going to be what? 2 square you have to add, then 1 cube you have to add. Okay, both things I told you. Now C minus 2 by 6 you have to check. So C is how much here? 194. 194 minus 2, 192. 192 by 6. So it is going to be what? The difference here in the option, last option I'm changing here. That is going to be none of these. Okay. So 194 actually it is, but I have made some changes. Okay. The options depend on what? Just on the value of C, but I have changed this question. C minus 2 by 6 I know. Okay, so that's why you can see 194 is here. Okay, so C minus 2 by 6. So 194 minus 2, 192 by 6, 32 is it is going to be. So none of these will be your answer. Now the next series, this is homework for you all. Already we have calculated. Okay, I'll give you some other homework, other question as the homework, because this already we have completed. What is the value of f minus 200? That is what they are asking, but there is no such f type of term in the series. If f is the next term after e, so next term after e is going to be what? So you will say that is not given, but we know the pattern. 5 cube plus 4 square, then we added what? 3 cube, then 2 square, then 1 cube. So by 1 only we are reducing the number. It is in decreasing order, consecutive numbers in decreasing order. Okay, and decreasing order means in descending order. So after 1, 0 will come, 0 square. 0 square means the same number. The value of f is equal to e, and the value of e was 199. Okay, so 199 minus 200, it is going to be minus 1. Option E, none of these is going to be answer of the same. And I hope you get it well. Clear? Let's move on to the next one now. Another one. Okay, I'm changing just one thing, that it is not on 18th number. There is a wrong number in this series. 0, 4, 18, 48, 100, 252. X is the correct number in place of wrong term. So first of all, we need to find out the wrong term, which that is going to be X. They are not asking you direct the wrong number. There is a wrong number in the series, that only they have mentioned. X is the, generally the question will come like what? Find out the wrong number in the series. But we are doing some advanced level questions. Okay, we are just solving advanced level questions here. 0, 4, 18, 48, 100, 252. X is a correct number in place of wrong term. So first of all, you have to find out the wrong term. Then X will replace that term, means the correct number. Identify the correct statement from the statements below. First, X is divisible by, again statement verification based question is here, by 12. Second, X divide 21 minus 5 is a prime number. is a prime number. So is this clear to all of you? Now see, 0, fine, then 4 is there, okay, then 18 is there, then 48 is there, then 100, 252. So as I said, you have to remember 1 square to 40 square, right? Square of 1 to 40, and the cubes starting from 1 till 25 at least. And you also need to remember the differences of the squares and cube starting from 1 to 10 at least. Okay, 1 to 10. The cube and square difference. So if you will look out, 1 cube minus 1 square is 0, 2 cube minus 2 square is 4, 3 cube minus 3 square is 18, 4 cube minus 4 square is 48, 5 cube minus 5 square is 100, 6 cube minus 6 square is going to be 180. Okay, why? See, 0, 1 cube 1 square, following 2 cube 2 square, 3 cube 3 square, 4 cube 4 square, 5 cube 5 square, 6 cube minus 6 square is going to 180, but it is 252. 252 is what? 6 cube plus 6 square, not 6 cube minus 6 square. So that's why the wrong number in the series is this one, 252. And in place of this, which number must replace it? 180. So 180 is going to be x. X is the correct term, which is 180 here. Now, what statement is given? X is divisible by 12 years. 180 by 12. 12 ones are 12. Then 6. 12 fives are 60. 15 times. Cancel. Yes. So first one is correct. Second, x divide by 21 minus 5. So 180 divided by 21 minus 5 is a prime number. That is what they are asking here. But 180 is divisible by 21. First of all, you need to check this. Then we will go further for the difference of 5. So 21, if you will cancel by 21, this one by 21 even. So 21, 8s are 168. So 12 is the remainder, then 8 after 8 times of cancellation. Now not divisible. So 180 is not divisible by 21. So we can easily say it is not a prime number. X divided 21 minus 5. So this is going to be what? Only statement 1 is correct. That is going to be our answer, option C. Only first option is correct here. So if you are getting each and everything well, then do like this action and share with others also. Now find out the wrong number in the series. This is the homework for you all. Okay. One simple homework I am doing from the I am giving you from the number series question. This was the last number series question, so I am giving you as the homework. Okay. So take the screenshot. Now after this, now as I said, today we are going to discuss number series based questions and quantity comparison based. So in quantity comparison, first we are going to solve the question based on quadratic equation. Okay, what quadratic equation? First, okay, so here in the given questions, two quantities are given. So this is also a type of what? Quantity comparison, quadratic equation. Generally, your question comes in which form? Quadratic equation form, but they can give you from arithmetic also for quantity comparison. So you have to ready for that also. In the given questions, two quantities are given, one as quantity 1 and another as quantity 2. So you have to determine the relationship between two quantities and choose the appropriate option. So these are the options possible that you have to find out. Means the roots of x, roots of y, just need to calculate and just compare those values. Okay. So by checking this, x square minus 12x plus 36. So a multiply c means product of what? The coefficient of x square and c, constant term. So 36. Now just break this 12 into two parts. Minus plus. Signs are what? Here. Second term is negative and third term is positive. When it is given, second term is negative, third term is positive. And then you what need to do? Then you have to go for what? Your both roots are going to be positive. Now 6 multiply 6 will give you 36. So you just have to break this 12 into two parts by addition. So the product of these factors must give you what? The product of a and c, means the coefficient of x square and the constant term product. So 6 multiply 6 giving you 36, yes. and 6 plus 6 is 12. So 6, right? 2, 6 means the value of x is going to be 6 and 6. Both roots are same. Now, second, 10y square plus 27y minus 63 equals to 0. So here plus minus. So in this case, when second term is negative, first is positive, plus minus. Then your roots going to be minus and plus. Remember this, negative and positive. Larger value will be negative and smaller one will be positive. 10 multiply 63, just multiply 630. Now just break this 27. So by multiplication you must get 630 and by subtraction you must get 27. So find out those factors. So if we will go for those factors, 27 is given. So 630 you have to look out. Okay. Okay, no. Then 40 multiply, no, not possible. Again, I'm just taking the differences. Even you can go for factorization also. 630. Okay, fine. So you can go for what? 9 7s are 63. Multiply 10 means 5 multiply 2. These are the possible factors. Now just try to do, right, make two values. Their difference must be 27 and their, right, after multiplication you must get 630. So we are just going to do by this method. Even you can go with what? 630 is there. Then you have to follow what? The steps which I am telling you. First of all, go for 40 means the term, right? One of the term of the roots must be what? Sorry, one of the value of the factors contains the unit digit at 0 or 5. Okay, means see, you have to maintain the 630. Product must be 630, means unit digit must be 0. And in which cases unit digit must be 0? Can 0? When, if you will talk about those two factors x and y, suppose their unit digit, we are going to talk about unit digit, because unit digit product will decide the last term of the product also, right? Answer. So see here, what I am telling you, 630. So 2 multiply 5 will give you 10. So here 0 coming. Okay, fine. Now 1 into 2 not going to give you this, but 2 multiply 5, 4 multiply 5, 6 multiply 5, right? So 5 is common, means one of the roots unit digit can be 5, either 5 or 0, because when 0 is there in one place of the unit digit, then definitely you are going to get that. So what are the possible values which you can take? So 30 minus 3 will give you 27, but 33s are 90 only. Now 40 minus 13. So 40 multiply 13 will give you 520 only. Now 45 multiply 18. Right? So I hope so it is completely clear what I am telling you. I'm just, by this you can easily solve even, but I am telling you in a different way so that you can easily process it. We are just checking it out. Now 45 multiply 18. When you will do this, you are going to get 810. Yeah. But we are looking for 630 only. Then 42 multiply 15 also possible or not? Tell me. Because we have checked 45 multiply 18, 40 multiply 13. Now one of the value must be what? Must contain unit digit as a 0. So 42 multiply 15 is 630. So like that you can maintain, or even you can go in this way also. This 9, you know, 9 5s are 45, 7 2s are 14. So 45 multiply 14 also will give you this, but here is a twist, and the twist is that 45 minus 14 is 31, not 27. So now this 9 also I will break into 3 into 3. Okay, now 7 into 3, 21, 21 into 2, 42. Okay, now 3 I have and 5 I have left. 3 multiply 5, 15. So like that you have to go ahead. So now here the factors are what? 27, what was the factor? 42 and 15. But here the coefficient of y square is 10, so 42 by 10 and 15 by 10. First one will be negative, second one will be positive. So in this case, if you will check, both the values of x is greater than both the values of y or not? Yes. Minus 42, obviously 6 is greater than that, and 15 by 10 is 1.5, 6 is greater than that. So quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. This will be your answer of this sum. Now let's move on to the next. Now the next one is what? Again, first quadratic equation only. First equation is x square minus 20x plus 96. So x square is free, means the coefficient of x square is 1. Here also coefficient of y square is 1. In this case, you just have to go for constant value and just see signs. Minus plus means you have to find out the factors by what? The addition. Plus minus means you have to go for what? You have to find out the factors by subtraction. So 96. So just break 20 into two parts. So 12 multiply 8, 12 plus 8, 20, 12 multiply 8, 96. Clear? So here the factors are going to be 12 and 8. Both are going to be positive because second is negative, third term is positive. In this case, your both roots will be positive. Here, y square plus 2y minus 15 equals to 0. So now just break this 2 into two parts by subtraction. So two factors you have to take. Okay, you have to assume two values. Their difference must be 2 and their product must be 15. So 5 minus 3 is going to be 2. 5 multiply 3 is going to be 15. So 5 and 3. But how you will decide the sign of y? How you will decide? With y square, what is given? 1. So directly you can take these factors. Hi Tarush. So it is completely clear. I think you are new to the channel and this is your first session, right? Now plus minus means larger value will be negative and second value will be positive. So in this case, if you will check, 12 and 8 both are greater than minus 5 and 3. So here also first is greater than second. Clear? Now next one, this is homework. And here plus and plus signs are there, plus and plus sign. So you have to tell me, okay, what are the possible signs of the roots, okay, in first quantity and second quantity both. So this is homework, easier one I am giving you as the homework. So I'll be expecting your answer in the comment box also. Now let's move on to the next. Now the typical one comes. Here if you will see x to the power 3 by 2 minus bracket 342 minus 256 square root x equals to 0. Here the square root 28 minus 12 y square minus square root 106 106 minus 5 square, square root 106 minus 5 square. Okay, this is what given. Now we have to find out the value of x and y, then we need to compare. So when you see these type of equation, you got confused what need to be processed, how we have to attempt this. So just see, first just look out it carefully. Root x, square root x is actually what? X to the power 1 by 2 or not? X is to 1 by 2 or not? Yes. So in first equation we can take x to the power 1 by 2 common or not? Yes. Okay, then what we will get? X, because x 3 by 2 is what? X, right, multiply x to the power 1 by 2 only, right? This is what given here. So we can take x to the power 1 by 2 common here, so we'll get x. Now x minus 342 minus 256, so 42, then 44, so 80, again I am just checking, 86. So x minus 86 finally you will get equal to 0. X to the power 1 by 2 you can just transfer this side. So x will be what? X is going to be 86 because x minus 86 equal to 0. So x equal to 86 in this case. Now similarly for y, right? Similarly for y, see the method here. 28 minus 12 means square root 16. This is going to be 16y square minus square root 106 minus 5 square. So here 106 minus 5 square, 106 minus means 25, which is 81. So square root 81 is going to be 9. 9y equal to 0. This is what given. No constant term is here. So you can transfer 16y square equal to 9y. Now y, 1y to 1y cancel, 16y equal to 9. So y is going to be 9 by 16. Value of x is 86 and the value of y is 9 by 16. So in this case, what you can see here, right, what we can observe by this, you can easily see yeah, just wait. Okay, so here you can see x is getting what? Greater than y. Clear? Because x is 86, y is 9 by 16. So you can go with what? First greater than second. Option A is going to be answer. In this case, quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. And I hope you are getting it well, how we are solving this. Okay? Let's move on to the next one now. Quantity 2 based question is here. Again, the question is based on what? Quantity comparison. As I said, today we are going to discuss the question based on number series. So be active in the chat box and checking your comments also even. So you have to be attentive and try to do it. So this one is going to be pretty much easier than the previous one. Here nothing is given. First equation, x square plus 21x minus 10 square equal to 0. Second, y square plus 35 by plus 17 square plus 15 by 3, which is going to be 5. 17 square is what? 289. 289 plus 5 means 294. Okay. Now y square plus 35y plus 294 equal to 0. And first equation is x square plus 21x minus 10 square. 10 square means 100 equals to 0. So I have made the equations easier for you. So now you understood. Only I have just increased the calculation little bit more in this. Okay. So you can easily simplify. So first thing is just need to simplify the data if it is given in the complicated manner, complicated form. So this you can easily solve. I hope so. This is also homework. Just try it and comment your answers in the comment box. And I'm expecting actually the answers from you all. Okay. Now let's move on to the next. As I told you, today we are going to solve different kind of questions of quantity comparison. So here the question is based on what? The same kind of instructions are given in the given questions. Two quantities are given, one as quantity 1, another as quantity 2. You have to determine relationship between two quantities. Choose the appropriate option. A, B, C, D, E. These are the options. Find the original consumption if this is what given. So you have to find out the original consumption if quantity 1 and quantity 2. Means from both you need to determine the in quantity 1 you will find out what? For original consumption. Quantity 2 you will find out the original consumption, then compare that. Which one is greater, that you need to compare. So after increasing price by 25%, a family now gets 6 kg less. So 25% more. So if we will talk about that, so the earlier price was whatever it is, 25% more. 25% in terms of fraction is what? 1 by 4. So there is an increase. So 1 with respect to 4 is 25. So we can assume that new quantity, the older quantity is what? 4. So new quantity is going to be 4 plus 1 means 5. Clear? So earlier there were 4 parts of 25%, 4 parts. Now there are what? 5 parts. Means this is the actual value which you need to get. Now gets 6 kg less. So how much part less? So 5 and 4. So you can say this is the older quantity. I am telling you in the short way. I will explain in the detail also. So no need to be worried about it. Just see 4 and 1. So the difference is only 1. And this one part belongs to what? These are the parts which are representing 4 parts, 5 parts. So one part equal to what? 6 kg. So now he is going to get what? 6 fours are 24 kg. But actual the quantity is what? 6 into 5 means 30. Why? Because now he is getting 6 kg less. And earlier the original quantity, as per original quantity, he must get what? These 5 parts. But the increase of 25% in the price, due to this, he is getting this much less. So actual quantity is 30 kg in the first case. Even we can go with the quantity comparison also. If you will talk about, okay, earlier the quantity was 100%, now it is 25% more. So how much it is? 125%. This is the price. But now the person is getting what? If I am saying, okay, earlier the price was 100 rupees, now it is 125 rupees. So now he is getting 25 rupees product less. Okay. Okay. Product less, whatever the item is, but at 25 rupees. So 25 rupees is what? 125 by 25 by 125 means fifth part. Actually, it is 1/5. So this 6 is 1/5. So total is going to be 6 into 5 means 30. So here the quantity is 30 kg. Now similarly here, after the increased price by 25%, here also 100 rupees was the price, but now it is increased by 25%, means now it is 125 rupees. A family increases its expenditure by 20%. Now family increases the expenditure. Family is also increasing the expenditure, and it is by 20%. So it will become 120 rupees now. So they are spending 120, but actual price of that product, the earlier quantity they were getting at 100 rupees, actually now it is at 125 rupees available. So gets 5 kg less. So just see, this is the actual price and how much they are spending, 120 rupees. The difference is 5 rupees. Okay, so this 5 rupees with respect to 125 is how much? So 5 by 125, it is going to be 1 by 25. So 1 by 25 parts, right? 1 by 25 of the total is equal to 5 kg quantity we are talking about. So total quantity 25 into 5 means 0.25. So a quantity second is greater than 1 in this case, means our answer is going to be option B. And I hope it is clear. Let's move on to the next one. Find the distance. If quantity 1, a man covers a distance in 20 hours. Same question, quantity based question is given. Okay, arithmetic question. So find the distance. So we need to find out the distance. Quantity 1, a man covers a distance in 20 hours. He covers first half at 30 km per hour and second half at 20 km per hour. So that is what given. So this is what given. First half at 30 km per hour. Second half at 20 km per hour. So total distance is going to be, wait, no, it is D. So this is going to be first half D by 2, second half D by 2. Distance is same. When you are just traveling at different speed, but the distance is same in both cases, then you can follow the average speed formula. Why I am calculating average speed? Because our ultimate motive, right, is to calculate the distance only. So distance is equal to speed into time. We know the time of 20 hours, but do we know the average speed? No. So average speed is going to be 2 S1 multiply S2 by S1 plus S2. Clear? Okay. Now, yes. So 30 plus 20. So 30 multiply 2600 multiply 2. So 1200 by S1 plus S2. 13 plus 20. So this is going to be what? 50. Now by 0 to 0 you can cancel, by 5 you can cancel, so 24 it is going to be. Okay. 24 km per hour. The actual speed which we are getting here. Now for 20 hours, so average speed we know 24 km per hour, total time is 20, so distance is going to be 480. So here the value of quantity 1 is 480. Means the distance is 480. Okay, clear to all of you? Now, second, quantity 2, two buses move towards each other at a speed of 35 km per hour and 50 km per hour respectively. When they meet, it is found that faster bus covers 30 km more than the slower one. So here the difference, okay, means the case is different. Two buses move towards each other. First one, okay, if they are moving towards each other, then relative speed is going to be the sum of their speeds, both buses' speed. Okay, you have to add. So each other at a speed of 35 kilometer and 50 kilometer. So we are just assuming this bus is coming at 35 kilometer per hour speed, and this one is coming at 50 kilometer per hour speed. Now when they meet, it is found that the bus covers 30 kilometer more than the slower one. So suppose they are meeting at this point. When they meet, the faster one is this one, covers 30 kilometer more. So in 1 hour, faster one is covering how much? So 50 minus 35 means 15 kilometer per hour lead is there. So 30 kilometer lead will be taken in how much time? So you will say 15 to the 20. In 1 hour 15 kilometers, so 30 kilometer lead will be in how many hours? 2 hours only. So actually they both travel for 2 hours. Okay, so time is 2 hours. And in 2 hours, this 35 kilometer per hour bus will travel how much? 35 into 2 means 70 kilometer. And this 50 kilometer bus will travel how much? 50 into 2 means 50 into 2 means 100. So 100 plus 70 means 170. Clear? How much kilometer they traveled actually to meet each other? So they traveled 170 total. So the distance, okay, how much distance they have covered total? Find the distance. So we need to find out two buses moved towards each other. So we can even say from the starting point to ending point, or from the both starting point. Bus A, suppose bus A started from point X and bus B started from point Y. So X to Y distance is going to be also what? 170. Because from here to here, how much? 70 kilometer, and from here to here 100 kilometer. 100 plus 70, 170 kilometer. Clear? So this is going to be your answer. What? Quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. And hope so it is clear. Let's move on to the next. Now quantity comparison based question based on what? Number series. Okay. So the question is saying quantity 1 value of X, and the value of X is what? The missing term in the series. So find out that pattern, find out the value of X, and quantity 2 value of Y. So Y is what? The second term of the series which is missing. So you just need to apply the general method of number series. First of all, you need to find out the missing term. In quantity 1 it is X, in quantity 2 it is Y. Just compare X and Y. So if X is greater, then your answer is going to be quantity 1 is greater than Y. If Y is greater, then you will say quantity Y is greater than X, means quantity 2 is greater than 1. If they are equal, then you can go with this option. So there are, right, C and D also choice, greater than equal, less than equal. So based on the value you will decide the answer. So here your answer, I hope you can easily decide. So quantity 1 and quantity 2. Okay, so just solve, get the value of X and Y, and let me know the answer, because this is I am giving you as the homework once again. So today I have given you some of the questions, generally 1 to 2 question, right? I give you as the homework, but in today's session, okay, some quadratic equation based question, one number series based question I have given you. Now this one is based on what? Quantity comparison, but also based on number series. So this is going to be a good exercise for you all. Now the last one. Here also you will see some changes. Quantity 1, quantity 2, again number series based question. Okay, again the question is based on number series. And here what you need to do, quantity 1, value of 6x minus 24. So first of all you must know the pattern here. So quantity 1, now this one I am solving you. Other question which I had given you as the homework, that you have to solve. And I am expecting the answers, okay, from you. You can comment your answer in the comment box after the session. Okay, once you got the answer, just comment the answer. Okay, now see 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 8, 21. Pretty easier one. 21 plus 10. We are just adding consecutive even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 21 plus 10 means 31. 31 plus 12, 43. 43 plus 14, 57. So the value of X is going to be how much? That is 31. Now 31 multiplies 6 is going to be 186 minus 24. So 31 multiplies 6, 186 minus 24, 162. So the quantity 1 value is what? That is 162. Now quantity 2, the value of 3y plus 2 multiply 5. This is what? 2 multiply 5. Do not imagine it as x. This is 2 multiply 5. Okay, 2 multiply 5 means 10. 3y. So first you know the pattern of quantity 2. Because quantity 1, quantity 2, quantity 1 now we know 6x minus 24, that value we found. Now quantity 2, value of 3y. So first of all we must know the value of y. How we will solve? The number series is given. From here you will see in number series y is a missing term. Okay, so first of all we need to find out the pattern. So 2, 9, 28, 65, 126. So if you will look out these values carefully, so you will get the okay, after the observation properly, you can easily solve this one, because 1 cube plus 1 is 2, 2 cube plus 1 is 9, 3 cube plus 1 is 28, 4 cube plus 1 is 65, 5 cube plus 1, 126. So y is going to be what? 6 cube plus 1. 6 cube is how much? That is 216 plus 1 means 270. So already y is greater than the complete value of 6x minus 24, 217. And we have to find out 3y, means thrice of y obviously is going to be more than that. So thrice of y is going to be 217. We need to find out 3y plus 10. So 3y, so 3 into 217 is going to be 651 plus 10, 661. So quantity 2, in this case, quantity 2 is greater than quantity 1. Option 2. And I hope in today's session you enjoyed the session a lot. If you like it, then do like the session, mark your attendance, and also subscribe our channel. And as I said at the beginning also, Ram Navami Utsav offer is going on currently and it is ending on today. Okay, tonight at 11:59 p.m. you can directly save 40% flat on all the regulatory exam course plans, RBI, SEBI, Nabard, IFSCA. Okay, so these are the plans: learn pack, complete plan, combo plans, RBI plus SEBI, RBI plus Nabard is available. Mentorship batches. So in mentorship batch you will get dedicated mentor, customized study plan, complete study material, mock test, live session, doubt session, many more things. So that's what I'm saying. These all courses, right, plans are available. You can okay you can subscribe any of the courses as per your preparation level, right? You can decide that. If you want to get learn pack, then go for it. You will get 40% here also. Here also you will get, means on all the courses you are getting flat 40% off. Okay, we are talking about all regulatory exam. So just download the app and avail the offer by using code FEST, capital FEST, because it is ending tonight. Okay, so hurry up and go subscribe now. So anything else which you want to ask, if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe it, and also download our app from the Play Store for the more updates. And you can also join our Telegram group, Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box. Okay, especially for all the regulatory exams. Okay, the Oliveboard has started new initiative of Telegram channel, so you can join that. The link is given in the description box. There you will get the daily mind maps. Okay, all session update, all exam updates, everything about that, daily top 10 MCQs. Okay, top 10 MCQs, PIB current affair PDF, daily current affair update, many quizzes. Okay, PDF of all the sessions, and many other important things for your better preparation. So do join that also. So hope so in today's session everything is completely clear. We'll see you in next session. Till then, keep planning and keep shining with Oliveboard.